This will be the cold start video of our 1958 Jaguar XK 150. Freshly rotisserie restored, joint venture between Just Jags and finally finished just down the road at Le Stable. We have just brought her out, pushed her out. The stable is just up the road and literally uphill from our current location. So just beyond those trees, the stable sits. As you can see, it is a healthy downhill. So she is quite cold, hasn't run in a few days. Folks know that you've seen my videos, my listings. I hate to do the touch thing, so I love to do the temp gun thing. So it is quite hot out. It is about 95, 96 degrees here in Southern Illinois. We are down in Glen Carbon, home of Le Stable. So 125 degrees on the ground. Our exhaust pipe is 106 inside. About the same up top. So just to show you again, the shade underneath the car is 122 degrees. So she's quite cold. We'll go ahead and get under the hood and we will take some temp readings of that aluminum engine. So we'll get inside. We'll pull the bonnet release. Everything is fresh, everything is crisp. This may be interesting trying to do one-handed, but I'll give it a shot. Success. We will get the prop up. There's the magnificent engine. Freshly rebuilt, finished, detailed, polished, as you can see. So that was the final engine that is put out at Just Jags. So we'll get more into the history later. So sitting in the sun, you see it's about 120. We'll go ahead and hit the radiator. It is black. 114, 115. So again, we are quite ambient. Again, in the sun, it's quite warm. All this trouble just to show folks that she is cold, because she starts and runs so beautifully. So we'll get inside. It does have the starter carbs. I mean, everything on the car is completely redone. So it does have the 5-speed, Jaguar 5-speed, makes it much more drivable. But our owner put in a neutral safety, so we do indeed have to push in the clutch. We have the brake up. We'll go ahead and get her into neutral. Turn the key. All you can hear is the clock ticking away. See, she is full on the tank. See, no registration on the water. We will fire her up. And that is all she wrote. I am not giving her any gas. And she's got herself a cold idle going. So we'll go ahead and bring those revs up a little bit. Quite willing. Amp meter. An oil pressure. Once we get a little bit of water temp going, we will get out, listen to that magnificent song the engine. So, fresh cooling system, fresh wiring, completely fresh interior. We will go through that when we do the condition inspection. Full custom interior, top, headliner, bright work, complete nut and bolt. And if you take a gander, that is 10 test miles on the car between just Jags and Stable, putting her through her paces. Off the gas, we will come on out. Of course, with 10 run miles on it, as you can imagine, smoke-free, clean. Listen to that magnificent burble. Now we're getting some water temp. Perfect on, smooth off. Hope you've enjoyed the presentation.